You are not broken. There is nothing wrong with you. The truth about you is that you are an incredible spirit being having a human experience. You are perfect. You are whole. There is nothing to fix about you. It is simply your thoughts that need therapy. Welcome to Thought Therapy. My name is Amity Rose, and I have spent years helping people understand their mind, their stories, their patterns, the thoughts that run their lives. But before I helped anyone, I helped myself. I have healed myself from addiction. I have saved my marriage from divorce. I have repaired every single relationship in my life, including with my parents, as well as my children. And I have built a life and become a woman that I love, and I want that for you too. This space is dedicated to you. This work transformed my life. A long time ago, I thought I was worthless. I wanted to die. I thought my life didn't matter, and I was on a very destructive path because of the thoughts in my head. I didn't think that I mattered, that I had any value. I lived in hell for a really long time, and it was self-created. I created a prison in my mind, and then I created the outward experiences to match the inner prison that I had created. And the moment that I started questioning that, my life started to change. And I looked at every single thought that told me that I wasn't worth it. And I challenged it, and I broke it down, and I moved myself into trust, and I rebuilt myself into love. And I was able to repair and restore and rebuild my life into becoming a woman that I love, that I deeply, deeply love and care for and value, and created a beautiful life for myself. I've been sober over 17 years. I've been happily married over 20. I have 3 beautiful children that I have amazing relationships with, and it is all because of this work, and I want this for you. This work is not easy. No matter where you are, no matter what part of the journey, no matter what is going on, if you adopt the practice of challenging any thought that tells you you are not this perfect whole being, your life will change for the better. Every time you question a thought that tells you you are less than, you are chipping away at suffering and anxiety and guilt and shame, and you are moving yourself closer to being a person who lives in peace, a person who lives in love, because that is your true state of being. So welcome to this channel. This is my gift. It is my true hope and prayer that it helps you in some way. If you find a video and you know somebody else can benefit from its message, please share it. Get this out to everybody you know that could use it, because our lives can change if we just begin to question these trash thoughts that are in our head that tell us we're no good. Because I promise you, you are a being of love. You are incredible. You are worth loving, but it starts with you. You have to remember who you really are. You are love. You are embodied love. And it's only this mind jumble that gets in our way, and we forget the perfection that we really are. So I'm so glad you're here. If there is a thought that is troubling you, please let me know in the comments. I am so happy to make a video just for you, because if a thought is troubling you, I guarantee that it's troubling someone else. And this is one way that we can change the world for the better. We can help people heal by having them look at these thoughts and see that they're lies, and having them remember who they really are. You are perfect and whole. It's simply your thoughts that need therapy, and I am here to help you with all of that.